A massive fire broke out at the Kalisthan Bazaar in Meghalaya's Phulbari on Monday, reducing at least 3 shops to ashes. The fire broke out in the afternoon on Monday. 2 fire tenders were deployed to the site along with the crew to extinguish the fire. During enquiry, it was learnt that the fire broke out from a grocery shop due to suspected electric short circuit and soon spread to 2 other shops, including a grocery shop and a tea stall. Both the grocery shops burnt into ashes and the tea stall was badly damaged. Fortunately, no loss of human lives was reported.